In this video, we will review Goodbye Keto's weight loss program and see if it's worth trying. We'll explore the program's features and benefits to help you make an informed decision. Goodbye Keto's weight loss program claims to provide effective and sustainable weight loss solutions. With personalized meal plans and expert guidance, it aims to make your weight loss journey easier. The program emphasizes a balanced approach, focusing on nutritious foods and portion control. You'll also have access to a supportive community to keep you motivated and accountable. Goodbye Keto's weight loss program offers various exercise routines tailored to your fitness level. Whether you prefer cardio, strength training, or yoga, there's something for everyone. Join the program today and say hello to a healthier, fitter you with Goodbye Keto's weight loss program. Start your weight loss journey now and achieve your goals with the support of Goodbye Keto's weight loss program.